Hi! Today we're going to be taking down, unboxing, and taste testing flavor review of Cosmic Fraud Premium Vapes, the Lost Fraud Question, Neon Cream. Now this one says that it's 70 PG and 30 VG. It's a 3 milligrams of nicotine, and it's a 30 ml bottle, so about 30 milliliter bottle, I'm guessing. Now, I'm noticing some things that they did differently from the other one. So they are still made by this Halls brand, but it's just from their Lost Fraud, Cosmic Fraud Collection. Yeah, but something that I noticed right off the bat on the box is they actually put the PG-VG ratio on the mother effing freaking box. With this one over here. This one over here, which is kind of like their first one, I believe, or stuff, or they're calling this their craft question. Yeah, their crafts still needs some more workmanship, okay, for their question up here. Why? Flavors. Nasty, nasty flavors. The only good flavor so far from their craft question was this nice Voodoo. There are two of the worst flavors. Was this Moon Milk and this Cosmic Crowd Punch. Crowd Punch and Moon Milk, don't get. Don't you ever get them. Those are nasty. Now this Voodoo, this one's actually pretty good. But yeah, but Cosmic Fraud, the Lost Fraud Question, made by the same exact freaking company, this Halls company. They actually managed to put the VG-PG ratio on the box. On this box, no, you had to open it up, pull out the freaking little insert to find out the VG-PG ratio. Yeah, that's garbage. That's bad marketing right here. This box, they don't know how to market this box. At least this one, you know, when you're like, hey, what's the PG-VG ratio? They hand it to you from behind the counter, like, here, take a look at it. And you're like, oh, hey, right there. There it is. This one, what's the PG-VG ratio? I don't know. You got to buy it. You got to get it home. You got to open it up. You got to take out the freaking little insert. And then, oh, right there is your PG-VG ratio. Bad mother effing Martin right there. Take a note from us vapors. We do not like it where we have to actually purchase the product, open up the product out of the packaging to identify our VG-PG ratio. We want to know on the box, on the bottle, that's on the website. That is something that we definitely want to know. So, anyway, what is the flavor of Neon Cream? I don't know how good you can see on camera here. Ooh, it's kind of tiny. The new sherbet flavor. So this one is not what you think. When you hear Neon Cream, you think, an orange creamsicle, right? You know, neon meaning orange, cream, because, you know, the box is all this golden orange color, right? Nope, it's a sherbet. Sherbet flavor in the Lost Fraud Question will turn any night into an epic party. They're supposed to be orange, raspberry, and lemon lime. All mixed perfectly. In a sweet yet... What? I'm trying to wait for the camera lens and off the side of the camera. Sweet and subtle cream and chilled to perfection. How do you know if it's going to be chilled to perfection? You're not going to stick this in your freezer. And this is not an ice one. So, yeah, chilled to perfection. They need to look up what chilled actually means. It means cold, frozen. Put it in your freezer. Put ice on it, you know, which is like the menthol flavors for vaping. But instead of saying, hey, you bought menthol, they're like, hey, you bought ice. I know it's weird, but yep. Okay. So where you need to cool down after a long night out, or just enjoy a blast from the past after a hard day. This spot on rainbow sherbet will take you back and make you never leave until you run out. Okay, now it is made in America. So this juice is not made in China, like how we've seen other nasty, yucky flavors that's like, oh hey, s'mores, this sounds good. Toasted